And that's the long life Tsongkhapa form. One hand down, holding wealth vase, the other hand up. This is the principal form. This is the long life form. You can set up our altars like that. Have Lama Tsongkhapa in the center, Vajrayogini on the left, Setrap on the right. That's Kechara. Outer Kechara. There's an inner one, but outer is like that. Now, if you want something bigger and just condensed, you can have just this Lama Tsongkhapa. And where can we get these beautiful statues from? That's right. You know why? Because when I came to Malaysia 20 years ago, I could not find beautiful Tsongkhapa, Vajrayogini, Setrap statues anywhere. And I looked and looked. And I went to Nepal, I couldn't find it. I couldn't find. And I started creating Lama Tsongkhapa statues made from, what's that material? Do you guys remember? Resin. Resin, yes. Cha was with me in Penang. Because that's all we can afford. And now we're so fortunate and lucky that we're blessed that we can create these kind of statues. Big and beautiful. Every single one of you should have a Tsongkhapa like this in your house. Either this form or the long life form. Every single one of you. This size, this form. And you know what? Go to KSA and put the mantras in. Put millions and millions of Tsongkhapa mantras in. Manjushri, Yamataka, I have it all. Put the mantras in. In fact, if you go on my blog site, I have a wonderful post on the mantras that went inside the Kechara house statues. So if you look at the Kechara house statues, what we put inside, that's what you should put inside of this one. And listen up, kids. Put a wealth vase inside. Ooh. Is that allowed? Did Rinpoche make that up? No, I didn't make that up. In the base of the statues where the lotus is where you can put a wealth vase. Put 2, put 3. Dedicate one for mama, one for daddy. I mean, otherwise, wealth vase, you put in a casing, put it, don't know what to do. People come here, what's that? Where's the flower? A vase, no flower. But if you put Tsongkhapa, everything's self-contained. Wealth, Zambala, Tsongkhapa, wisdom, protection, blessing, all in one. Yes. And Kechara, Paradise are beautiful stores, which all of you should support because we have wonderful things there. We order these from Ganden Shartse Monastery and in general Ganden Monastery. And we are supporting them also. All the monks make all the wealth vases by hand. And then the old monks, the old geshis, 80 years old, they come for the puja, do 3-day puja to bless the wealth vases. Support them also. The wealth vases are expensive because the material is expensive and we got to ship it here. Oh, shipping is very expensive and customs is very expensive. 2 customs, India and Malaysia. And then when you get the wealth vases, hold it without, not your naked hand, hold with a kata and pray and dedicate it and put it inside the statue. And when we build big statues in the future on KFR, everyone should buy wealth vases and donate and put inside the statues because we'll have big statues there. Everyone should. You should donate for the mantras and even thumb drives. Donate thumb drives. We'll fill it with mantras. Or better, you fill the thumb drives with mantras. You can download it because I have it on my blog site. And give it to us, put inside a mantra for you. Put inside the statue for you. You should do. Very beneficial. On KFR, we're going to have a Vajrayogini stupa. My goodness. Go and get your wealth vases. Stock up now. Because KP, they run out of wealth vases very fast. Ganden cannot produce so fast. I'm not joking. Grab it. Because when the Vajrayogini stupa comes up, no wealth vase, how? Cut your hand, put inside out. Too late. Leave a little hole in the stupa. You put in later when the order come in. Cannot. Seal, no? You should prepare. You should prepare. Buy a lot of tsatsas, buy a lot of wealth vase, buy a lot of Dharma books from Kechara Paradise, buy pendants, all this stuff, and prepare and do prayers to put inside the Vajrayogini stupa. Always. Prepare for that. And what is the Vajrayogini stupa, what it's for, what's the benefit, go on my blog. I already have that written. Just type in Vajrayogini stupa, on search. Okay, so I'm giving you secret methods. You think, oh, Rinpoche, where does this come from? Go to Ganden, that's what we do. What I'm sharing with you is what we do in Ganden. Is what we do there. Is what I learned from the old monks. So I'm sharing with you what the Holy Sangha has been doing in Ganden for 600 years. It's nothing new. I didn't make the wealth bases. Adisha created them. Don't think Tsemji created wealth bases. I can get wealth bases. You won't get any wealth. I didn't get any wealth. You know my favorite saying, if I know how to get wealth, why I teach you? I teach myself. Yeah. So you should do that. Everybody. Don't say, oh, I'm poor. I don't have money. Everybody can save up $100, $150 a month. Put it away. If you buy in one lump sum, of course cannot. We can pay our trips to Bangkok. We can fly away and visit Europe. We can buy new clothes for Chinese New Year's. Everything except wealth-based? No, you should do. Not just that. Dharma texts, tsatsas, prepare. Because I want the stupa to be very big. And don't give it to me now. Buy it and keep it because I don't have storage. Oh, you should do. And all of you, unless you're traveling all the time, should have a very big statue. And if you're traveling, you have some funds, you buy it, donate it. Donate it to someone. You should definitely do. And make your Tsongkhapa statue your way. You want to put jewels on it? Put jewels. You want simple? You want gold? How you want to do it? Make it as beautiful as possible because remember, it's not a decoration or furniture piece. It's not something you buy from IKEA. It is something to collect merits to gain enlightenment, to gain freedom. So take your altars very seriously. Some people freak out, oh, this is like temple, so many big statues. What's wrong with it's like temple? Temple's good what? If temple's bad, why we go temple? Say, yeah, temple good what? But you're not monk and nun. Yeah, I'm not monk and nun. But why can't I have big, beautiful statue? Nothing wrong. Oh, the big statue like that cannot maintain, maybe bad luck. Where got bad luck? Big car, no bad luck. Big girl, no bad luck. Big date, no bad luck. Big trip overseas, no bad luck. Big statue, bad luck. Where got? Where got? Oh my God, listen to this. I've told this story before, but there's a lot of new people. When I became enthroned as a Lama, we have an enthronement ceremony. You get the seal from the Dalai Lama, or you get the seal from the Oracle or High Lama. I got my seal from all. Anyway, I got a seal from everybody said I'm a Lama. Anyway, we got an enthronement ceremony. And on enthronement ceremony, your friends, your teachers don't come, but your friends, your peers, and other Lamas will come to give you kata and congratulate you. Rinpoche, you're Rinpoche now. So one Rinpoche from Drepung had a Lama Tsongkhapa set. Very beautiful. But he was very poor. And he couldn't offer gold and mantras and clothes on it. But he just had a Tsongkhapa set naked. And he was so happy I became a Rinpoche. He came all the way down to Ganden. He gave me his only statue. I was so touched and moved. So touched. Because at that time, who can afford it? Ayo, cannot. I'm not joking with you. Cannot. Even we save every month, it would take us years. Cannot. He gave it to me on my enthronement day. The day I was officially recognized as a Rinpoche in Ganden Monastery by all the officials of the monastery. So anyways, it took me 1-2 years. I collected some money. I finally put some gold on the face, painted it, sewed clothes, mantras, and then my guru blessed it. So I had that in the center of my altar. It's very auspicious the day I became ordained. And her neighbor, that time she was living in Sri Thomas, her neighbor was interested. So I gave a set. You can imagine I gave a set to her. After a month, she returned it. Oh, I can't take care of it. Too much work. And like that, in the beginning, Malaysians give back the statues. I import, I bring, I paint, I put mantras, I do the puja, bless it, give to them, and then after 1-2 months, they give back. Oh my God. In Tibet, you give back Tsongkhapa statue, it's like you give your life up. It's so bad. It's such a bad sign. But I said to myself, no, here people don't know. So I make myself very strong. I will teach Tsongkhapa, explain, and let people know. Because that's what we were taught in Ganden Monastery. Some people say, why do you always teach Tsongkhapa? What do you want me to teach? I'm from Ganden Monastery. And then Tsongkhapa's home. That's where all the High Lama study. The High Lama study Tsongkhapa's texts to become High Lama. What do you want me to do? All my gurus study Tsongkhapa. Oh! How can I teach you what I don't know? That's why I teach Tsongkhapa. Very simple. So anyways, now, and then when more people know, we cannot find anywhere in the city. Nowhere in KL. Nowhere. I went Malacca, I went Ipoh, I went Penang, even Singapore. Cannot find. In Singapore, I found some small Tsongkhapa like this. The statue, Tsongkhapa is not like that, but the statue like that. No, nice. I get it. I'm embarrassed to get people here. Tsongkhapa is the king of Dharma. He's a Buddha. He bless you. They look, this one how to bless me. Look at the face. So I teamed up with Paul. Paul has an artistic eye to make these statues. I teamed up with Paul. Then me and Chia and one of my other assistants, we started Kechara Paradise over 10, 12 years back. We started SS2 upstairs. It's just me and Chia and one other person. We get one customer a week. Henry. He buy incense and get lost. No customer. We're on the 3rd floor. Now Kechara Paradise is wonderful. And I always have a dream to make beautiful statues that are nice, well made, that will last 100, 200 years. That's why I promote these statues. That's why. So therefore, you should definitely have a beautiful Tsongkhapa statue with a stupa dharma book, your teacher's picture, make beautiful offerings every day, as beautiful as possible. If your statue is this big, this year must be this big already, then this big. Why? Your kids become this big, your bank account become this big, your waistline become this big, only Tsongkhapa this big. How come? Think, make it beautiful. Always think how to bring Dharma to others.